Well, there is a trend of declining safety on the roads after decades of progress, and some say Congress is to blame. Attorney Jim Higgins with the Higgins Firm recently stopped by to explain why there are more tragic truck accidents, who's to blame, and why. Jim, it's great to have you back.
Thank you.
So why do some folks think that Congress is to blame for some of these trucking accidents and the increase?
Yeah. There's been about a 20% increase in fatality-related truck accidents over the past several years, and you know, some people think it's because Congress has kind of slowly rolled back a lot of safety laws that we had in place for truck drivers. For instance, they've increased the number of hours that they can drive. They're looking now at maybe increasing the length of the trucks and the weight of the trucks. You know, there's always this battle between the trucking industry and safety and the public. I mean, we all want our stuff, right? And you want it fast, and so that puts more trucks on the road. But with more trucks on the road, and with these lax, or if they loosen up on these safety regulations, then there just can be more accidents, you know. And the latest battle up in Congress is there's wanting to be testing for sleep apnea.
Really?
And for truck drivers that may be overweight or susceptible to that, and that's a battle that's starting right now as to whether that should come out or not. You know, it's key to have these laws in place. We want them within reason. But when they start rolling them back like this, what you end up is with drivers out there that just drive too many hours. And like any of us, you know, right now they can go 70 hours a week. And driving a truck 70 hours is tough.
Yeah.
You know.
It makes a difference.
Sure.
So I know you all handle a ton of injury accidents. Have you all seen an increase in trucking accidents?
We have. You know, and I'll be honest, it's hard to say that we have an increase in trucking accidents in my office because of these, you know, a correlation to these congressional changes.
Right.
Because, you know, it's just what we do. We handle a lot of high stakes, wrongful death, trucking cases. People know that, so they send us these cases. So, you know, and Nashville's getting more crowded, so it could be a combination of those, really, because of our reputation for handling truck accident cases as opposed to these factors alone.
Yeah. And we do know, of course, there are a lot of firms that handle different injury accidents, but what is unique about the way your firm handles them? Do you do anything different?
I think so. You know, I think the mistake a lot of law firms make on truck accident cases is they treat it like a car wreck case, and they're not. What we try to do on these is we get into the driver's logs, we get into the company's records, because we want to find out why it happened. Did it happen because this person was driving more than they should have? Did it happen because the safety and maintenance wasn't kept up on these trucks? So you find out why, so you can keep this from happening to other people, and I think that's really important in truck cases.
Yeah, that makes sense, makes a big difference. Jim, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great info. The Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. You can give them a call. The number is right there on your screen. That's 1-800-705-2121, or check out their website. That's thehigginsfirm.com.